I'm Tony from Transformation, Automotive Appearance Restoration. We have a website at autotransformation.com. We also can be reached at 989-992-4349. The services that we provide are buff and touch up, which is our best hot seller. We also do headlight restoration. We do bumper spot and repair, and we're also mobile. So we come right out to your home or to your dealership or to wherever you're located. So for a free estimate, feel free to give me a call, text me, Facebook me. You know, there's many ways that we can come in contact. So feel free to call me at 989-992-4349. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.